I am so excited to sit down and film my first ever YouTube video. I can't believe that it's taken me this long. I have been watching YouTube. I've been watching YouTube since college for the past 3-4 years now, and I love YouTube, and I always knew I wanted to start a channel. I just never knew what my channel should focus on. And I had this idea to start up Thrifty Bailey and kind of share how I save money and how I also save money by going thrift shopping. I love going to the thrift store, Goodwill, Plato's Closet, all those places, Salvation Army. That's where I get all my clothes, and I've even started selling on Poshmark. So at this channel I could show my thrift hauls and what I sell on Poshmark. And then maybe even kind of get into how to save money as a 24-year-old girl. Okay, so I love watching these kinds of videos, so I thought it would be fun to share with you what all sold for me on Poshmark this month. And obviously I don't have the clothing or the shoes, accessories, whatever, because I sold them. So I thought I could just kind of read it off my phone, and then I'll put like a picture to the side of the video to show you guys what sold. Okay, and the first thing that sold were these gold studded gladiator sandals from Sam Edelman. I love these sandals so much. I wore them a few times and just decided that I have similar shoes in my closet that I wore more, so I decided to sell these, and I ended up selling these for $30, which I thought was pretty good. Okay, the next item that I sold this month were these Steve Madden wedges. They're like a brown cognac color. They're super cute. I think they're around like a 4-inch heel. I ordered these shoes online in college, so I wasn't able to try them on, and I ended up ordering a size too small. I mean, it still kind of worked, but they were just really uncomfortable, and I never wore them, so I was happy to get them out of my closet. And I sold these for $22, which I thought was pretty good. I don't know, I'm the kind of, I don't know, this is just because I'm like a newbie Poshmark seller, but I always take the offers that people give me. I don't know if that's bad or if I should be countering. I don't know, I always feel like I'm just gonna counter back and then the buyer is gonna back out, so I might as well just take it. I don't know, maybe I gotta up my Poshmark game a little bit, but that's just me. Okay, next I sold a lot of shoes on Poshmark this month, which was awesome. I seriously love selling shoes on Poshmark because they're so easy to list and no measurements required. They're really easy to take pictures of. They're awesome. So I highly suggest, if you're new to Poshmark and selling on Poshmark, try to find shoes that are gently worn to resell, because I've had really great luck with them. Okay, so next up I sold this pair of gold sparkle Jack Rogers sandals. I got these in college when they were really, really trendy and popular. I don't think that they're as popular now. I don't know if that's maybe because I'm out of college. I don't know. Comment down below if you I still think they're really cute. I just never wore them. And I have another pair that I wore more, so. But yeah, comment down below if you still wear Jack Rogers. Like, I kind of want to know what is going on with that style. And I didn't mention these sold for $45. Okay, next I sold this really cute Madewell dress. It's this cream and blue pattern with a really cute detail on the trim of the hem, and I couldn't figure out the style or the name of this dress, but this dress sold in less than 24 hours. It was a really quick flip for me, and I will definitely be looking for more Madewell dresses to resell, because if I can get all of them to resell in 24 hours, that'd be awesome. Okay. Next, so this was a bundle, which I love selling bundles. It's so easy and convenient for the seller. I sold this Shein, and I don't know if you guys know this, but Shein I think is now what it's called, but it's a kind of trendy fashion website. I think it's from China or something. I don't know. But I ordered this swimsuit from there, and it didn't end up fitting and I didn't even wear it, so I resold it on Poshmark for $10. And and then also with that same bundle, I sold this pair of BDG mid-rise distressed jean shorts. And I don't know if the person was thinking about wearing these two pieces together. I think that would be kind of cute, just to wear like shorts over your bathing suit by the pool or something. But I thought that was awesome, and like I said, I love selling bundles, so I immediately accepted that offer. Okay, next is this Free People oversized cowl neck sweatshirt kind of tunic. This was also a really quick flip for me. I think that this sold within 24 hours as well. And I will definitely be looking for more Free People pieces to sell on my Poshmark, because this sold for $34, which I thought was a great deal. And I love Free People, so I, of course, like, my eye is always drawn to it in the thrift stores, and I love reselling it. So I will definitely be picking up something similar to that. Okay, next I sold this really cute striped beach cover up, and you've probably seen this on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. I feel like everyone had this cover up last summer, and I really liked it, and I wore it a few times, but I just didn't see myself wearing it this summer, so I thought that I could sell it on Poshmark, and it sold really quickly for $14. I thought that was a good price, so I sold that. Shoes. I sold these pink bow slide wedges from Sam and Libby. I love these shoes. I think they're so cute. I did wear them a few times, but they really hurt the tops of my toes. It just never got comfortable. I don't know, I probably should have tried wearing them a little bit more, but they just never felt broken into me, so they were just sitting in my closet. I figured I might as well sell them, and I sold these for $13, which I think it was a good deal. So yeah, and it sold to a really nice buyer, which I thought was awesome. She left me like a really nice comment. So I appreciated that, and I'm glad that she made the offer. Next, I sold this pink gingham off the shoulder blouse. This is from the brand Divided, which is H&M's brand. And this was kind of the same thing. It was just sitting in my closet. I never really wore it. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I sold it for $7. Probably not the best deal that I've made, but yeah, probably not the best sale that I've made, but I figured it was just better. $7 is better than sitting in my closet and never being worn. So, okay, the last thing I sold on Poshmark this month were these really cute pair of rose gold woven strappy wedge sandals. And okay, surprisingly enough, these are from Walmart, which, I don't know, from my Poshmark listing, if I was just a seller or a buyer on Poshmark kind of scrolling through, I never would have thought that these are from Walmart. They're the brand Faded Glory, and I got them a couple of years ago because if you guys watch her channel, Alexandra Garza, she had these on back when she had a blog, and she had these on her blog and they were linked. So that's why I bought them. I was like seriously obsessed with rose gold at the time. I still love rose gold, but at the time I was like obsessed, and Alex had them, so I had to have them. You know how it is. So I bought those, but I just never ended up wearing them, so I figured, like with everything else, it would probably just be good to sell them on Poshmark. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but they sold for $16, which not the best, but I mean, they're from Faded Glory in Walmart, which is not like a high-end brand at all, so I thought that was pretty good. Okay, and so yeah, sorry, I was looking down. I was checking my Poshmark on my phone to see what all had sold. Okay, so that wraps up everything that I sold on Poshmark this month. I hope that this helps you with your Poshmark, and I know, like I said, I love watching these kinds of videos, so hopefully you liked this one and you kind of learned from it and can maybe sell some of this stuff on your Poshmark. Leave me a comment below if you liked any of the pieces, if you would kind of sell something similar. I'd love to hear from you guys. And also subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it as I'm trying to grow my channel and my YouTube and my Poshmark. So thanks again for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.